Found a pretty neat semi off the beaten path place here in Myanmar, about an hour and 45 minutes from Inle Lake. Check it out. Hello from Inle Lake. So Bagan was really beautiful, really wonderful, and now we're in Inle Lake. And I kind of was excited to see this beautiful lake framed by mountains, but it seems like it's already burning season here because I can barely even see just faint outlines of the mountains that are really close to us, and there's fires blazing everywhere. It doesn't really seem like lake activities are going to be good today, so we're going to head to a temple complex called Kakku, sort of an alternative to exploring the lake, which I don't think is going to yield much in terms of view. This is pretty neat. I think a great deal of it has been restored though, because you can see some of the stupas don't have anything on them. Like I'm looking at one now that's all brick, and some of them have all of these sort of animals or people or mythological creatures on it, or probably things that are from Buddhist beliefs, so it's really cool to see it all here. I love that one with the leaves growing out of it. It's super cool. It's really beautiful. Entrance fee was 5,000 chat, not a big deal. Around like between $3 and $4. So magical with the bells. It's a bit breezy today, so when there's any wind, you just hear them going. This is a really cool spot. I don't know how many hundreds or maybe even thousands there are, maybe thousands, just all in this one Kakku area. Super cool. I don't see really many other tourists. We're here at nearly 3 o'clock. It seems like there was a big local group that just left, but otherwise we are not really splitting it with too many people, which is nice. I'm most definitely stoked that we came here today. I've never seen anything like this, which is what I keep exclaiming all throughout Myanmar, but I'm totally smitten with this country. It's just been so beautiful. The people are really nice. People always want to take pictures together, and the friendliness and the hospitality is amazing. So come here for the pagodas, which are like unlike anything in the world, but stay for the awesome people. And if you're looking for an alternative thing to do in Inle Lake area, this is definitely it.